Today I'm gonna show you a video demo how to add contacts to Save tab before exporting them as CSV file. To make this demo short, I will give only 3 batches and how to add in Save tab that contains 25 contacts per batches. So let's start. After we log into Apollo, let's go directly to search, save searches. Then choose the save list you want. For me, I will choose the industry that I've chosen, which is IT service companies. For this demo presentation, I will choose the IT Firms Canada 1 to 25 million revenues. To select, make sure that your total tab is active. If it is in blue color, means it is active. At this time, you can only select 25 contacts when saving them to Save tab. Let's select now. Simply check the box here beside their names. Or simply go here to apply selection. Because it's already stated there, the number of people, which is 25, and the maximum of people per company, I'll stay as it is what is stated there, which is 1. And then, click the apply selection, then save tab. It will ask you to add to list. You can create here the list name you want. If you have already created, you can simply click here, the list that you created. For me, I created earlier. For this demo presentation, IT Firms Canada 1 to 25 million revenues. Then confirm. Then select again. Let's try again. So we can see here in the upper right corner that we are completed added to save tabs, the contacts. You can refresh this one to make it sure that you save here or here in list. For later, we can go here in list when exporting. For now, I'll show you again the second batch of 25. Let's go to apply selection. Then save tab. Again, add to list. Confirm. Let's go to last batch. 25 contacts. Go here. Apply selection. Then save tab again. Then add list again. Confirm. So we completed the adding 25 contacts. Let's go to list now for exporting. We have here the list, the IT Firms Canada 1 to 25 million revenues. Let's open this one. Then for now, we can select them all the contacts that we save in Save tab. Unlike earlier here in Total tab, we can only select 25 contacts. But for now, that we are already in Save tab, we can select them all. Then, export. Here in Edit Export CSV Settings, CSV, contact CSV Edit Settings. You can edit the fields here. You can check and uncheck the fields, what fields you want to be included, but just save settings. Then let's go to Start Export. Then download. As we can see here, CSV file was downloaded. So we have here 302 contacts. So we're done. That's it. Hope it will help. Thank you.